Oh my god, guys. So I just got my first sale. It I think I've been in for about 2 weeks, give or take. But how do I turn this around? But wow, guys, look at that. I got my first sale. That's crazy. I'm so excited. Like, I don't know. I feel like I could cry right now. And I just got married um May 30th on Thursday, and I've been doing my meditations 2, 3 times a day. And in my meditations, it's all positive things. Getting married, getting my grind on with the done for you services. Now that I'm getting my first sale, I'm going to really head on this. And I want to thank you, Ariella, for bringing me into this. Wesley, I want to thank you for starting this and agreeing to. I can't wait to meet you. I've seen you at the seminar in Houston. Um, yeah, I'm just so excited. I feel like I could cry. It's getting kind of hot now because I'm so nervous. That's awesome. And I can't wait to keep moving forward with this. Keep going, guys. I mean, I've been doing it for 2 weeks, and I want to thank. I think that's Elango. I don't know if I'm saying your name right, but I watch your posts. I watch Malek's posts, and I watch Shane's posts, and I take your guys' information as well. And I've been applying it to change my accounts. And you guys know what you're doing. Thanks, team. Thanks, fam. This is really awesome. I'm so excited. So let's go, guys. Let's go. How do I turn my live off? I don't know how to work social media. Okay, well, much love, guys. Aloha. Straight up from Hawaii, and it's possible. Keep going. I've got 2 kids. They're my biggest whys, along with so much more. So bring it on, family. Bring it on.